So then he just kept giving me all those bananas. But do you know what? I gave him all those bananas back. And you know what? I am proud of it.
Did somebody say fireworks?
No, no one even remotely said fireworks.
Oh. Well, then I must be going crazy. You see, I have a big box of fireworks here, and they're quite fun. All you have to do is light them like so, and get back a certain distance, which I shall not do.
Alright, my dreams have come true! Yay! Oh, this is awesome! Now we've got a box filled with dreams and wonders.
Yeah, a box filled with fireworks.
And it's a box.
I have an idea.
Okay. You got it? Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, of course I know exactly what I'm doing.
Huh. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, here we go. Julie, will you marry me?
Well...
Made in USA. Hey Dan, where's USA?
Huh? Oh, no, that's not USA. That's USA.
No, see, it says USA. See, USA.
Whatever, just light it.
Locating target. Target found. Firing.
Cool.
Haha! Dead to America! What's that? I think we should be more careful with these fireworks.
Oh my god, Dan, you're so boring. Come on, dude, let's live it. Let's light all these fireworks up at the same time.
Oh, what? What?
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that.
No, wait!
Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me do it in my van every Sunday. She tells him she's in church, but she doesn't go. Still she's on her knees, and Scotty doesn't know. Oh, Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. So don't tell Scotty. Fiona says